The Corvette is undoubtedly Chevrolet's most iconic model. The two-seat sports car has been available in some form for over 70 years, and 2020 brought significant alterations to the famous vehicle. Chevy continued to improve the formula after the C8's introduction, and the switch from a front engine to a mid-engine configuration resulted in significant performance benefits. It's also comfy, has a well-designed cabin, is easy to drive slowly, and is enjoyable to drive over curvy mountain roads or on racetracks. The Corvette is unique in an impressive class of performance vehicles. In our testing and use of the launch control system, our 3LT Coupe test vehicle, equipped with all-season tires, accelerated from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.6 seconds, and completed the quarter mile at over 118 miles per hour in 11.8 seconds. If you choose the Z51 Performance Package, those times drop to 3.4 seconds and 11.5 seconds at 120 miles per hour, respectively. The thin front tires are mostly to blame for the good but not nearly class-leading braking performance. The Z51 Corvette, with its stickier tires, required only 105 feet to stop from 60 miles per hour, compared to 109 feet for our 3LT test vehicle. Even drivers with only moderate talent may explore the car's significant boundaries thanks to its remarkable steering and handling. The smooth and rapid changes of the new 8-speed automatic gearbox also make an impression. The Corvette is one of the most comfortable vehicles in its class. Our test vehicle included the optional MagnaRide adaptive suspension. We discovered that it provides outstanding compliance across a wide range of road conditions, and smooths out bumps that would normally upset other sports cars. The relative lack of wind and engine noise contributes to comfort, while tire noise might be noticeable on rough roads. The touchscreen is easy to use and conveniently located near the driver of the Corvette. The images are clear and modern. Despite the compact interior, the optional 14-speaker Bose audio system manages to deliver powerful, high-quality sound. Additionally, wireless connectivity for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is included, and both smartphone integration systems performed well in our test. It's more convenient than you may think to have an optional nose lift system that can remember steep driveways using GPS. The Corvette achieves an EPA estimated 19 miles per gallon in combined city and highway driving. On our mixed driving assessment route, our test Corvette returned 21.8 miles per gallon, which is not terrible given the Corvette's tendency to urge vigorous driving. As with many high-performance vehicles, single digits are only a decent road and a heavy foot away.